When I first came to Gambia in 2020, I met this woman. Her name is Miss Anne. Miss Anne owned a couple guest houses, and I was renting one of the rooms from her. And I remember leaving her guest house and going to her main house. And she was sitting in the living room and she invited me in and I sat down and we started talking and she said to me, "Are you married?" And I said, "No, I'm not married." And she says, "Well, if you see a girl here in Gambia that you are thinking about getting married to, it's important for you to check her family's background because her family's background will determine whether you are happy in the marriage or whether you are unhappy in the marriage." I remember her saying that to me in her living room. And she also said to me, "If you're not sure, bring the girl to me and I will speak with her and I will be able to get into her family's background and then I will let you know." Then I met another woman who owned another guest house. And this woman was a white woman. And she said to me, "When you're on the road and if someone should steal something from you, you say, 'Shatala.'" I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Shatala. Guys, let me know if I'm pronouncing it right. But, in her way, she was putting me on guard in the event that someone was taking my property. I can say something that will cue the others to help. So you see, these are the things that is necessary at this point in time, us sharing our experiences. Peace.